Hi, I'm Lori Schneider with Figs Catering in Austin, Texas. On behalf of Expert Village, today we're going to show you how to make a baked spaghetti squash casserole with sun-dried tomatoes. So now that I've cut my spaghetti squash in half, I'm going to take a spoon and we're going to go ahead and remove the seeds over a bowl. And it's real easy to do. You just kind of take your spoon and you scoop out all those seeds. So it'll be nice and hollow whenever we're done here. And spaghetti squash is really a very versatile squash. It gives a lot of flavor and it absorbs a lot of flavor. So it's really nice as a side dish or in addition to, like we said, to replace pasta. It's really, really great. Okay, I've got one half done and I'm going to go ahead and do the other half. And we're just going to scoop it on out. We'll say this vegetable does require a little bit of muscle. All right. Great. And these are what the two halves of the clean spaghetti squash will look like.